Hey folks, Bob Bottom Dollar Waller here from McLarty Ford and Lincoln in North Little Rock. And I'm doing one of my favorite things again, of cooking for the service department and the parts department. So last month, and actually for everybody in the store, we had about 100 employees. But they did a really good job last month, hit some high numbers, great CSI. So I told them I'd cook them some ribs and some chicken, and that's what I've done today. Got here about 5:30 this morning. I've got some ribs. We've got some big old racks of ribs here. We've got 8 racks of ribs. I've got 90 pieces of chicken in here smoking since this morning. So we're getting ready to put those things together and congratulate the fix department, parts and service, which Lee Moore's in charge of. This guy right here. See Lee
Hey
Moore?
folks, how are y'all?
So what we're doing is we're feeding everybody today. We've got baked beans, potato salad, some chicken, lots of chicken. Like I said, the smoke is filling the whole dealership up, and everybody's mouth is watering today. I got my new apron on, got my name on here. Got this from my mother-in-law for Christmas. Shout out to Carol and Lay. Thank you so much. This thing's thick and it keeps me clean. So hey, we're having an employee appreciation today, and I'm doing one of the things that I love the best is cooking and feeding everybody. This team's, it's a great team. But hey, if you're looking for a great deal on a Ford or a Lincoln, well, I just released a bunch of specials. We got 9,000 off 2019 Escapes, 7,500 off Mustangs, 7,000 off of Edges, 8,500 off of Explorers, $14,000 off of Super Cruise, and $14,000 off on F-250 Super Crew trucks. So right now is the time to buy if you're looking for a great deal on a new Ford product. We're the largest Ford dealer in the state. We got the biggest inventory, and we beat everybody's prices. Get online, look at our website, and you'll see we are cutting the profit out of everything. So come see us this month to get yourself a great deal on a new Ford and get a bottom dollar price from me, Bottom Dollar Waller, and you might get lucky and get a piece of chicken too. Come see us. We'll see you here.